Today we are going to prove the famous Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angled triangle with altitude A and base B, hypotenuse C, this is altitude A, base B, hypotenuse C. We have A square plus B square is equal to C square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So in a right angle triangle, this angle is 90. This A square plus B square is equal to C square. There are so many different methods of proving this Pythagoras theorem. Today we are using geometrical method for proving this Pythagoras theorem. So now I am going to draw one line. It is an arbitrary line. The length of the line could be anything, either longer or shorter. If you are not happy with the length, you can extend it, no problem. Similarly, I am going to take one arbitrary point here, somewhere here. So let it be A and the remaining part is B. So total length of the line is A plus B. Anyhow, it is an arbitrary line. Now I am going to construct a square with the side A plus B. So here same side A plus B. Here also A plus B. Here also A plus B. So I have constructed one square with side A plus B. So this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A and this is B. So we have one square with side A plus B. Three basic things we want to know. So just I will show three things. First one, we know the identity A plus B the square. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Second one, in a right angle triangle, if A is the altitude and B is the base, then its area is equal to half AB, base into altitude. So this is the altitude, this is the base, then area of the triangle will be half AB. If there is a square with the side A, with side A means all the sides are A. So this is A means all the sides are A. Then area of this square is equal to A into A, that is A square. Area of the square is equal to A square. So these three things we know. A plus B the identity, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This one. And area of the triangle having altitude A and base B is equal to half BH. And area of a square with the side A is equal to A square. So now I have constructed, previously we had constructed a square with the side A plus B. So the area of this square will be A plus B the whole square. Side A plus B, this side is also A plus B. Therefore, area is equal to A plus B the whole square. So the area, now I am going to join these points. So let me use another color. So I am joining this one. This one should be a square. This one. This one. So we have four triangles, right angle triangles with let the side of the square be C. So this is C, this is C, this is C, this is also C. So we have one right angle triangle here having base A, altitude B and hypotenuse C. Here also same triangle A, B, C. Here also we have A, B, C, A, B, C. So the area of this square plus half, I mean sum of the four triangles should be equal to the total area of the total area should be equal to the total area of the square. So the area of this square having side C is equal to C square, plus we have half triangles having base and altitude B. So area of each triangle will be half AB. Second triangle, this is first triangle, this is second triangle. So areas will half AB. Third triangle plus half AB plus fourth triangle half AB. So area of the total square is A plus B whole square, and it is same as the total of area of this square plus area of these four triangles. So we have A plus B the whole square A plus B the whole square is equal to C square plus half AB plus half AB plus half AB plus half AB. A plus B square we have already written there, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here it is C square plus half AB plus half AB plus half AB plus half AB means 4 times half AB. This 2 cancels with 4, that is equal to C square plus 2AB. So I can cancel this 2AB with 2AB. So we get A square plus B square is equal to C square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So in any triangle, right angle triangle, if A is the altitude and B is the base and C is the hypotenuse, then we have A square plus B square is equal to C square.